Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Ariovit, and in this tutorial for the beginners I want to show you how to create a bed in Minecraft. What you need is 3 woods from a random tree, okay, and you need also wool from the ships. You need 3 ships, okay, 1 wool, second. Okay, good. And now you go to the crafting table. You must put 3 wool on up and 3 wood on down, and you create a bed. Okay, and we did it. So that's all in this tutorial. Thanks for watching. I will also invite you to my other videos for the beginners. You may give like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye. See you next time. Thanks.